So a couple minutes ago, this fish right here was swimming right behind us. Good morning, how are you guys doing today? Man, it is such a beautiful day outside today. It's nice and sunny and it's only 77 degrees outside, so it's not too hot, not too cold. So today we're gonna do something special for my wife. We're gonna go take her to go fishing. But the thing is that I don't know how to fish and she doesn't know how to fish either. Every time when we go to somewhere that has like a bottle of water, she's always trying to catch stuff and we can never catch anything. So anyways, a few weeks back, I saw this video from the homie Hui Hen channel. He went to this catfish farm in DeRidder, Louisiana. And basically when you go there, they provide you with the gears, the bait. And if you do catch something, they will, you know, for a small fee, they will clean and they will fillet the fish for you. So the place is about 3 hours from where we live. Basically, it's kind of like a guarantee you're gonna catch something. And if we do catch something, I'm gonna try and do a catch and cook for you guys. I bought some stuff, you know, so we can fry the fish and stuff like that. So yeah, it should be a fun day. So anyways, if you guys are ready for some fun today, let's go. AKA Vamonos! Here's the bake shop, self-serve. You got ice and everything in there. Hello. Hi. First time here. So where I get to get the, you know, like the gear and stuff and bait.
Reel?
Yeah, reels. And... yeah, can I get 2 of them?
$10 a piece, and then you get half your money back and you get the reels back. Okay. And the bait is out there. It's just self-serve. You get your bait, you put your money in the can. Okay. You want me to pay for this now? Or? Yes, please. Okay. Is that card or you want cash? Or? Either way. Either way? All right. There you go. I heard shrimp is good for it, right? Yes, shrimp. This here. So let's grab one bag. The one is enough, or everything is. There we go. Also, can I grab a bag of ice? All right, thanks, sir. Let's just take a bag of ice and then ship. So it's $5, yes. All right, so here is the pond status. If it's green, it's open. If it's yellow, it's temporary closed. And if it's red, it's no fishing. So I think the only 2 that's open right now is just these 2 right in the front. I'm just curious, do you guys serve catfish here? Like, do you cook them here? What's that, the crawfish?
No, the catfish.
Oh, we don't cook them.
You haven't cooked them?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay, when is the crawfish thing?
Probably about the middle of January.
January?
Right now.
Okay.
Won't be before the 10th, but hopefully as soon as we can after that.
Okay. And I'm making a YouTube video about this place. Is that okay?
That's fine.
That's fine. And I was wondering, after I catch, if I catch one, can you guys clean it? And then is it okay if I cook it here? Just fry them up real quick. Is it okay?
You have the stuff?
Yeah, I got the stuff in my car.
That's fine.
That's fine. I'll clean up everything.
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay. I just want to make sure. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right, so Before I came out here, I read the review too, and they say there's no shade around this area, so I brought a tent. It's just set up right now, so we should be good from the heat. But I forgot my hat. Great. Got the shrimp. All right. You're gonna see if we can catch something. Otherwise, it's gonna be a waste of a drive from Houston to here, and we can't catch anything. All right. Let me see. Hopefully we'll catch something. I really want to do a catch and cook for you guys. Man, people are catching it left and right. Let's try down here. You like that cast? Oh yeah. Come on, it's supposed to be guaranteed. Man, I thought I caught one. It was just grass. No? You catch anything? Oh, see that fish? Oh, it's a monster. Big fish. So what I noticed that the guy next to me, he'd be catching a lot because they threw it right in the middle. You having fun, honey? Come on. Think about going to ask the guy if I can buy from him so I can do a catch and cook. Yeah, fishing is a sport where you have to be patient, so unfortunately I am not patient. Yeah, man, the guy is like reeling in left and right. So I guess nothing is really as a guarantee. We've been here almost an hour already and we haven't caught anything yet. And it's actually really hot outside. And yeah, it's not so fun. And look, there's like bugs everywhere. Everywhere. We brought all the gear to cook the fish, but so far we can't catch anything. I think we're just gonna cut a loss and then just go home, okay?
Come on, let's keep catching fish.
Okay, all right.
Let's try it.
Okay.
Let's try it.
Let's try it. You encouraging Daddy? What do you think, Mommy? Why can't we catch any fish and people around us are catching fish left and right? You see over here, the fish are like swimming left and right. They're popping their head up. But we can't catch anything over there. Oh my God, you got one? Oh! Mommy, come on! Mommy, come on! You need a fire? You don't know how to do that? No. Here. You want me to do it? All right, so see, we moved spot. We went from over there to over here, and within like less than a minute, my wife caught a fish. So what I noticed that, you know, they were feeding the fish, but the fish wasn't eating. So we moved over here, and as soon as we moved over here, we caught a fish. Look at this, guys. Oh yeah. You want a fish? Look, a fish. Catfish.
Why is it fit?
Yeah, because I'm about to eat them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Eating fish?
Put it back, release.
No, no.
Oh, mommy got another one. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. You happy now, honey? Yes? You got one? Mommy caught another one. Oh my God, mommy caught another one. You got it, you got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Oh my God, mommy got another one. No, I'm trying to. Get the camera, get the camera. Come on, dude. I have a feeling that my wife's gonna catch another one before me. Like today's a lucky day or something. I'm just gonna pretend like I caught this fish. There you go. Oh yeah, I caught one. Oh, are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? So I told you today was her day. She's catching them left and right, and I'm just taking them off the hook. She catching faster than I can take off the hook. OMG, this girl here. OMG. You got another one? Yeah, look at this.
Look how many fish we got.
Oh! Is it splashy?
Yeah.
This girl is crazy. She caught another one. OMG. Another one. Can I just catch one, please? For the video, please. The kids are catching them. Oh, honey, 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 I finally got one. Oh, you got one too. Oh my God. I got one. Oh man. It's my first fish. Oh my goodness. She caught like 11 of them. I caught one. Feel great. So what happened, honey? You got too much fish? You were a little bit sad earlier because you didn't catch any fish? And as soon as we move over this side, boom. Look at all this. OMG. Here's the price list. If they clean it, it's just $3 a pound. If you clean it, it's $2.50 a pound. And if the fillet is $3.25 a pound. So very reasonable. And I thought for a second we were gonna go home empty-handed.
I was saying, y'all come away from Houston too?
Yeah. And I was like, man, as soon as we switch pond. Well, I was catching them left and right. So I'm like,
Y'all didn't get to go on empty-handed, huh?
all right.
I know. Happy because of that, huh?
Yeah, I caught one. Yes, sir. Oh, for two of them, can you fillet it? And then the rest of them, can you cut them like 5? Is that okay? So 23 pounds.
75 for it.
All right. Yes, sir. All right, thank you. And right here is where they clean the fish. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Inside here, this is the convenience store, and it's also self-serve. Here's the price list, and then you just put your money in there. You can buy t-shirts, and they have cold drinks available. Also got candy, and even have ice cream. Grab me a Pepsi. You want just fry straight up, or you want to put seasoning in there? Yeah, it's kind of might be a little spicy though. It might be. And this is our final product. All right, we eat this much and then we go eat somewhere else. So originally I was gonna make some Vietnamese style soup, but since we are on a time crunch right now, it's just gonna be some fried fish and that's it. This is what we use in Louisiana fish fry. Outdoor cooking and fishing. And brought some rice. They're hungry. They're enjoying this. You like it, Kong? It's good? All right, mommy, go ahead. Was it worth the drive, honey? Yes? 3-hour drive? Even though you didn't drive? Honey, I told you. So a couple minutes ago, this fish right here was swimming right behind us. Wow. You guys hear that? The crunch? Oh, fast. One more, huh? Look at that, guys. So good. Man, when we have more time, we're gonna make some soup with this. Oh, wow. And we're hungry too, so we eat lunch. If you guys come here, make sure you guys pack everything because there's no store around here. So, I mean, there's store here, but I'm talking about like your snacks and stuff like that. Sandwiches in case you don't catch fish. Wow. Oh, good. This is what fresh fish tastes like, huh? So yeah, I know my wife is definitely happy today because she caught a lot of fish. We caught 10 fish total, and then she caught 9 to herself. And we thought we were gonna go home empty-handed, but yeah. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Be sure to hit the subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you soon. Look at this, guys. It's good. Yum yum. You know? You guys had this before? Things? They finally have in the state now. I had this in Jamaica. Oh. Huh? No, only straw. Huh? All right. Cheers. Grapefruit soda. Oh. So good. You have fun?
Yeah, ready.
So, before we leave, we have to get the kids some ice cream. What you got there, Kong? What is it? Strawberry. Strawberry?
I always love it.
Good? Yeah, everything is self-serve. Alright, so $6. $6. 2 days later and it's still good.